The Vrachon Theatre in Vyronas, Athens, Greece, is a vibrant cultural landmark built within an old quarry. However, its location at the base of steep, unstable limestone slopes poses a significant challenge. Rockfalls. Traditional inspection of these high, inaccessible faces is dangerous and costly. This study introduces a modern solution using unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, to assess the hazard and ensure visitor safety. Researchers deployed a DJI Phantom 3 Pro to capture over 500 high-resolution aerial photographs. Using structure-from-motion technology, these images were transformed into detailed 3D digital models, surface models, and orthomosaics. The team divided the primary slope into 5 distinct segments based on morphology. From these, they identified 13 worst-case cross-sections. Areas where slopes exceed 70 degrees or reach maximum heights to simulate potential rockfall events. Using rockfall software, the researchers simulated the paths of fragments ranging from 450 kilograms to 20 tons. In the most critical section crossing the theater, stage trajectories showed fragments, reaching up to 12 meters beyond the slope base. The data revealed specific peaks in kinetic energy and bounce height. These weren't random. They correlated directly with microtopographic features like small ledges, overhangs, and smooth rock slabs that accelerate movement or trigger higher bounces. Under extreme rainfall conditions, the potential run-out distance could even increase to 14 meters. The culmination of this data is a comprehensive hazard map. It defines clear hazard zones. Based on the maximum reach of simulated fragments and safety zones for infrastructure planning, this map serves as a critical decision support tool, recommending the placement of interception barriers like fence walls to protect the theater staff and audiences. This study demonstrates that UAV-based assessments are faster, more uniform, and highly accurate for urban geotechnical projects. By standardizing these methods, we can safely repurpose old quarries into sustainable public spaces for generations to come.